Hello dear viewers, welcome to the another live stream. I'm your host Rakesh Kumar and you are watching Forex trading with Rakesh on your favorite channel, that is Dukas Copy Webinars. Alright guys, I am a Dukas Copy trading community member. You already know me if you are not new. And let me know if the sound is there just by adding the chat that there is a sound. So what I was saying is that please do not confuse me as an employee of Dukas Copy Bank, because I am not an employee of Dukas Copy Bank, right? So why I say this, because everything that I'm going to talk about here on this live stream, every trading idea that we are going to discuss is of my own. It has nothing to do with the Dukas Copy Bank, okay? And what is going on in the charts today? This is a weekend. A lot of things are there to discuss today actually. But first things first, okay? First, those who are new to this live stream, I just want to let them know that what we are going to do here. Well, we are going to watch or have a look at sound is okay. All right. Thank you very much. So first we are going to have a sight of the major currency pairs. When I say major pairs, that means those pairs which have US dollar attached to it, and there are actually 8 currencies, so it makes 7 pairs if we attach everything with US dollar. So we are going to look at them, and then we'll see what are the key areas of interest, what is their market structure, and we'll use the candlestick charts to do this. And we'll not be talking about anything that is fundamental in nature. We'll only talk about the chart, the patterns, the candlesticks, and so on, or the price action to some extent. And yeah, if you're new to the technical analysis, I request you to go to our channel's page and then select the playlist and search for the profitable candlestick patterns and profitable chart patterns. Those are really very good playlists to make you understand how to trade patterns. At the end of the session, I'll be taking questions from the viewers, so please do not shy from asking questions. You can write in the chat and I will answer them. Lastly, everything that I say in this live stream is only to enhance your information or to enhance your knowledge. You already possess some knowledge, right? It may be like my knowledge or it may be like some other, but I am just adding on to it so that you can take more informed decisions in the market. All right, welcome MGA, welcome to the stream. It's me Anoop. Welcome to the live stream, brother. Could you please guide me to open live account in Dukas Copy? Well, your spellings are wrong, but yes, I can help you with that. Will you please, if possible, please can you do me a message? Can you send a message on my Skype if possible, because I have shared my Skype handle at the end of the every session, and I will write it again for you. If you can write all right, I'm going to show you once my handle. So this is my Skype handle. You can add this as a friend and then you can ask me whatever you want to do. Okay, so guys, I want you to go through the risk disclaimer first so that we can proceed further with our charts. So for you, Anoop, you can send me a message and I will guide you through the process. Okay, it is easy, it's not that difficult. So me and soldier 123 is the simple ID that you have to use. It is simple. Just add me as a friend and send me a message there maybe. All right, guys. So first things first. Now we have the JForex, and this is not something that we want to check. We want to check this one. This is an interesting thing here. All right. I want you to correlate with something. We had day before yesterday we had said that there is a possibility of a reversal here and we are looking for a lower high, and I think this has already become the potential lower high. It is not yet the lower high because we need to see a low, this low breaking here, this one. here. If it gets broken here, the low is around 109.94, then only this high, lower high, will be confirmed. Okay, this is one thing. Now yesterday there was a bearish engulfing, and today it is an inside bar. So there is still indecision in this market, that is in the dollar index, whether we are going to test 111.45 or we are going to test 113.82. This is still not certain. All right. But if you are thinking that, okay, I want to enter the short position in this one, well, all I can do for you is pull this Fibonacci retracements so that you know where is the potential resistance and where you should enter. Actually, if we close anything higher than 61.8% of this retracement, I think we should not be selling this market, okay, at above 113.12. So we should always be looking for a selling opportunity below 61.8%, that is 113.12. so when I switch to 4 hourly, you will see that this 61.8% is acting as a very good resistance, has given us a bearish pin bar. But this particular candle that is running now, it has 22 minutes to close, it is supporting the price, it is supporting the dollar. All right. So thanks for your kind support. How did you find using channel in tracking out of so many? How do you find using channel in tracking out of so many indicators, etc.? Well, I really don't understand this question. And can you put it in some other way by which I can understand this? How did you find using channel in tracking out of so many indicators, etc.? So I can understand that you asked me how did you find using channel, but in tracking out of so many indicators, I did not understand it. All right, guys. I'm sorry. Okay, so the support and the resistance is the only thing to see here. 111.45. This is important, and the next important is 113.82. And also on the 4 hour, if you see that 61.8% of the dip from the yesterday's high is actually blocking the price from going up. So now we know that, of course, dollar index was going down, but today it has found some support, but still now it is finding resistance at the previous levels. All right, now how is it affecting the euro? Well, let's switch to the daily. All right, yesterday I closed above the important resistance of 0.9735, then 0.9835 is what we were targeting here. Not 9835, but yes, 0.9816. And today we tried to go there but failed. We tried to go there, but we eventually failed. Took support at this level of 0.9735 again, but now this candlestick is a bearish engulfing again. Now if it closes below 0.9735, I think 0.9635 will be exposed in that case. But if it is able to manage a close above 0.9735, we still will have a hope of testing 0.9816. So now you know these two are the zones of resistance and support for the euro. Great Britain pound, of course it has also taken some support at 1.1211, but this particular candle is going much below that. It's only 20 minutes left to end this candle, and it is much lower than 1.1211, almost 30 to 40 points below that. And if it closes below this, I think 1.1024 will be exposed in this market. Right, guys, this is simple, but on the daily we see that there is a little bullishness in this one. Okay, this may be just a pullback to this previously broken these highs here. Maybe it will push back towards 1.1220. This is just my interference with the sound. All right. Just give me a moment, please. Let me clear the suppressor. Yes, add suppressor. No, it is not helping. Why it is not helping? Is it better? No, it is not better. Let's see. Okay, I think it's good now. Oh, it is still not good. Okay, I will interference with the sound. Just a moment. All right. This is very hot in India. I think I just have had to switch off my fan. And now I suppose this is good. All right. So here we go. Where are my charts? Okay, here they are. All right. So what I was saying that on the daily, it seems like because of this bullish candles going up here, this particular one, which has failed to break the highs of yesterday and failed to break the lows of yesterday, I think this one is trying to consolidate pound before it heads back towards 1.1460. That is what I think. Okay, but there is no clear indication for that as of now. But when you switch to 4 hour, you see that the price tried to take some support here, although it has breached this low, but it has not breached this candle here. This was also yesterday's candle. Okay, and today is 14th. The price is going low, but it has not breached the low of yesterday. The low of yesterday was okay here. This was the low of yesterday. So it has not breached this one yet. So keep an eye on this one here. I think till the time it is trading above this, I think we can. So it has actually breached this level. Although I don't like to make such big rectangles, but this is now I think an area of support for price where it can take support and go back. But this is a huge region, so I did not want to draw this in the first place. Okay. All right, this one, and after we have Australian dollar. Australian dollar is looking very weak. The reason I'm not sure, but yes, it is going down, and any close below this 0.696249 will open up the way towards 0.5984. Right now it is trading much below that. Let us see what happened during the day. During the day it was trading good, higher and higher, but in the last 4 hours it has actually dropped below. Well, once it had closed below 0.6249, that means this area is not the support. This area is the support. So yes, please keep an eye on 0.6169 here in this market, all right, rather than keeping an eye on this one. Of course, this is also an important area of support where the price was trading earlier, but now this is an important area, 0.6169 or maybe even 0.6174, where the price has reversed the second time. Make sense? All right. 0.6248 immediate resistance for the price. 0.6174 is the immediate support for the price. New Zealand dollar. Why I had 15 minutes. Okay. So the daily candle, bearish pin bar at the resistance. What better than this you can expect? But yes, this bearish pin bar at the resistance has pushed the price right into the region of support. So this does not qualify as a sell. Why? Because we need a close below the support, and this is not now valid support, this is the support. Okay, so 0.5559 area is providing support to the price. I think we need to see a close below this one for further lower prices, and here at the lower prices I think I will turn bullish if it breaks the previous highs, which is downswing pivot in my case. Actually, yes, till yesterday it was this, and it has been breached today. Oh man, I think we should switch to 4-hour. This is interesting. We had a downswing pivot, this one, and this has been breached today, and now the price is still trading above the low of yesterday. So I think this is an area which you should keep an eye on, this one here, because this will act as a good support for the price if the price comes in this region. All right, and look for a potential targets of 0.5842 if the price continues higher, because it has to make higher high than this one if it starts rising from here. Of course, on the way these small resistances will provide some resistance to the price, but ultimate target will be the high, which is higher than 0.5656, and that is here 0.5842. But right now the price is stuck between the support of 0.5559 and resistance of 0.5606. USD CAD, a very good move in the 1 hour. Let's see on the daily. Daily not bad, but right into the resistance. All right, I have intentionally put this, but I will show you on the 4-hour. That is better. So yesterday we saw a bearish move from here till here. Actually, it continued till here today, although it was only till here yesterday. And we were looking for a price action signal where we can look for a sell trade in this one. Of course, the sell trade has come because the price has tested the 61.8%, and it is not able to go beyond that because the price has come back below this one, 1.3872 area. Now the problem here is that the price is finding resistance here. That is okay, that's no problem. We can open the sell position with a small stop loss higher than this one. But the problem is that this green candle has pushed the price again inside this rising channel. That is one thing, and above this 1.3832 region, which we did not want, because this was a good area of resistance, and if the price has broken this area, I think this will turn into support. So I don't want to enter a market in the sell side when the market structure is a buy structure. I hope you got it right. So this is an area now where I do not want to trade, so I will just stay away from this market right here. USDCHF going good as of now. We are expecting the price to break above 1.0049, and it is now actually right now it is trading at 1.0049. Well, buying into the resistance again is not a good idea. I will sit on the sidelines on this one also, but I will ask you to keep a sharp eye on the 1.0049 when the price comes to this again. Next time when the price comes here, I think this will be a very good support, and that will be the time for us to go long. USDJPY, very nice price action here also, 148.72. I was wrong actually in this one. Okay, I was wrong that this will be a seller's zone. The sellers did not emerge and the price broke out, but I was right about this, that if the price goes higher than the today's high, then there will be a lot of buyers. I opened a buy position above 147.67 and I booked it at around 148.36 because I had to start my webinar, my friends. All right, and now the price next target is 150, of course, in this market. So if you are still buy, you can hold it with the target of 150. All right guys, there's no problem in that. So yeah, 150, and after that actually a huge resistance may be seen at 157.24, but right now there is a support at 146.98 and actually at 147.672. Silver is in dustbin again. Anything below 18.30, any closing below 18.30 on the daily will open the way towards much lesser level, that is 7.54 and 16.93 and even 11 what we are expecting here, 11.62 actually. So the silver may go to dustbin anywhere below 17.54, and a close below 18.30 will open up the way for 17.54. We have set an alert on this one. Do you see something here? Okay, I will show you some trend line. 1, 2, 3. This may support the price today. If it does not support the price today, then this area is not going to hold. Okay, that is for sure. Gold is going into dustbin again, guys. The price has entered that bearish channel again, and the buyers are not being respected here. They are being butchered here. 1614 is the low that I am looking for, and after that we will see 1555 directly. There is no stop in between. All right, nothing to talk about in the gold here. The resistance is at 1659 now. 1614 is the small support. After that 1555 is the huge support. Excuse me, guys. All right, Brent, I think today we will finish faster because there is nothing much to talk about, and also because this is weekend, price is not moving much and it is just giving us inside bars. On this one here, the price tried to find some support around 92 levels and gave us a bullish pin bar yesterday, and today that price is being engulfed by the bearish engulfing. Now this is difficult here, the price closing outside the falling channel, then trying to find support, giving us a bullish pin bar, and then there is no follow up. Even if there would have been a follow up, the resistance of 95.76 were very close, so buying was not a good idea. The price is now trading, clinging to the support region, not finding support, although the next support is very far, resistance is also very far, so the price is in middle of nowhere. So when the price is in middle of nowhere, we just skip it because we are long-term scalpers. Okay, even if we have to scalp this, we cannot scalp it in the middle of nowhere. We need a zone, a level to open positions. Now what is the structure? The structure has changed just from here, and now we are actually looking for a higher high and higher low to be established. This low has not been broken from yesterday, so expect this 91.06 area to act as a support if the price comes here from the upside, and on the upside we will find 95.76 as a good resistance. All right, Euro already only up and up. Actually the price was supposed to go to 1.5682, but it did not go. I will show you on the 4 hour. The price came back actually from 1.5664, so it has only made a high of 1.5664. but if I switch to 5 minutes, you will see that now it has started its uptrend again, once again. Okay, you see, after coming from here, okay, not yet started, but yes, on the 5 minutes stochastics is oversold, and the price can go to 1.5682 anytime. But if you are a long-term scalper, like I think you should be, then you should not open any position here because the price is very close to the resistance now. After this, we have a resistance at 1.6153. That is huge. Where is the support? Well, the support is now 1.5397 in this market. USDJPY going good. US dollar is trading good against the South African rand. Any close above this 18.219 will open the way to 18.590. And also on the daily, if you see, on the daily it is giving us a bullish pin bar at the support. That makes sense. But the problem is that it has already given a bearish pin bar at the resistance. So when there is a bearish pin bar versus a bullish pin bar, we say you fight, and whoever wins, we will go with that. So we sit on the sidelines on this one also. US attack bearish. We have been bearish in this one from a long time, but yesterday we said, okay, if the price targets are hit, I think we should go out. See, some profit booking was there, and today again it is going to go down. So where is the support? 10,678 is the support. 10,956 is the resistance in this one. No surprises here. It got resistance at 37.22, and now it has breached below this support of 36.35. The next support is 32.09, and now this yesterday's low may also provide some support to the price. Not only this one, also on the USA Tech. If you find this may be interesting level to see in the future. US 500 on the similar lines. Okay, okay, Chinese yuan is looking a lot weaker.
than earlier. You see, Chinese yuan is looking much weaker on the high time frames, and I think it may enter this zone of resistance, which I'm actually expecting it to be a zone of resistance. It may not be, it may be, but whatever is the price action here, if we see a bearish trend bar here, I think we'll be looking for a selling position. All right, this is weekly, and if you switch to daily, see, I think somewhere here you will get some selling opportunity. That is just my hope. All right, this is a possibility happening here. Oh, Euro JPY, only buy and buy and buy this one. 145.63 is the resistance zone, so don't buy now. At least let it go through 145.63 if it goes to the upside, and then let it come back just like the other ones. Let it behave like this. If it does so, then we will be buying it here, okay, in this zone. Right now it's not a good idea to buy because the price is very close to the resistance of 145.63 area. Okay, if it breaks this one, then only look for a buying position in this one, otherwise don't buy. GBP/JPY, it is also traveling now at the resistance zone. Today is an inside bar. Inside bar getting consolidated, taking support at 165.63 on the lower time frames. Going good. GBP/JPY, it seems like it is loading itself to break out of 167 area here and hit the 168.42 and maybe even higher to 175.01. Who knows? But for this, the pound has to manage some consolidation or see some strength before it breaks this area. There is the support, well, 165.63 is the immediate support for this one, and this falling trend line is the immediate resistance. After this, 168.42 is going to be the next resistance. Next thing is gas. We are bearish till the time, I said earlier also yesterday, that till the time the price is traveling in this channel, I think we are not going to open any buy position in this one. Even till the time price is trading below 7.235, we are not going to open any buy position in this one. Below 7.4041, gas will have no gas, so we are not going to buy this. There is no technical confirmation for buying opportunity. There is only sell, sell, and sell till the time price does not hit 5.325, and we don't see what is there. If there are any buyers coming in here again, maybe we will also load our guns and go with them. But if there are no buyers, we will not buy this market at least now. Well, if you really want to open any sell position here, this is a good area of interest. Why? Because a close below this one will make this a zone of resistance, or I'll say a confluence of resistance. Okay, if you sell here today, then you can place your stop loss higher than 6.599, and then you can maybe target 5.325 and 4.568. Well, this 29750, you know what is this? Well, 29574 is what I'm expecting to act as a support for the US30. Here, at this area, I'm expecting to act as a support. That's why I have placed my audio alert here. When the price comes here, I will be looking for the price action on 5 minutes. All right, I'm looking for the price action here on the 5 minutes. What happens, and if something positive I see, I will buy this again. What did I do? All right, you got my right. I was looking for a channel like this, short-term channel. I'm looking for buying this market, but near to 29,574. Well, that's it for today, guys. I just hope that you got the idea about the support and resistance levels. If you have any question, please ask me. It's me, Anu, for you. If you want to ask me something, if you want me to guide you through the process, you can write me on the Skype handle and I will answer you there definitely. If you want to talk, maybe we can talk also. All right, dear viewers, whatever you do, it doesn't matter, but please do not ever risk more than 1% of your capital on any single trade. That is not a good habit. Make a good habit of only risking less than 1% on your any trade, and if you have a potential of more than 3 times of the risk that you're going to take, then only enter the trade. Otherwise, there's no need to enter the trade. All right, please press the like button if you find this video useful for you. Leave your suggestions in the comment section. Consider subscribing to the channel for more such videos if you're new, and the links are there in the description. You can join the biggest corporate community, go to the channel, maybe their website, check it. So I wish you and your family, everybody in this world, a very profitable day, weekend. Thank you very much for watching. See you tomorrow. Not tomorrow, but Monday. Yeah.